Hi, welcome to Shift Align. Please enjoy with me this 10-minute strength sequence. If any of the moves are not working out for you, just skip them. You'll build the strength in time. We've got a little helper today.
Where is it written that all our dreams must be small?
Jumping jacks, 100. Try your best to keep your knees straight and your feet pointed straight ahead. If you can, keep the elbows straight too. You want to remind your shoulders how to go through a full range of motion. It's all right if your hands don't touch overhead at first. They'll remember soon enough. Definitely getting the heart rate up here. All right, moving on. Walkouts to push-ups. Just do what you can. So I'm keeping my thighs tight. I drop my shoulder blades together. Don't pay too much attention to your elbows coming out or going in. Just working on reminding the shoulder blades to come back and the hips to fire. Taking a rest in a downward dog. So if you can do more, do 10 push-ups. If you need to do less, do less. Just do what works for you. You'll build up the strength in time. Just remember, the human body is designed to move in so many planes of motion. But for the purposes of this move, we're reminding the shoulder blades to come onto the back body. So that's why I do that retraction. And I keep my hips back and up. Great job, everyone. What a view here. Just in the local park. Maybe you can find a pole or a wall. I found a tree. Incline push-up. Fingers are pointed down. I'm keeping my thighs tight. And these are not easier than regular push-ups. It's just giving you a different demand. Going through 25 here. If you need to do less, do less. Now I'm not holding in my abs here, I'm just keeping my thighs tight. There's no need to hold in your abs. No need at all. Alright, so making sure that your feet are hip distance. I use my fist to measure that. Taking a modified golf grip with my hands. Arm circles in the standing position, 100. I can't stress this enough. Keep your belly relaxed here. When you keep your belly relaxed, keep your six-pack relaxed. It allows the internal stabilizing muscles to kick on. That's what this movement helps fire. It helps recruit. It's what we call the deep six. Group of muscles inside designed to hold you upright. Sucking in your abs does not help your posture. So let it go. Squat jumps. This will definitely get your heart rate up. Try to land with your feet even. and sink into your hips. Sink into your hips. Really let the hips fire. Some of my favorites, donkey kicks. Now it's not important how vertical you get. It is important that you give yourself the space to just try. In the end of the movement, I'm getting my knees as straight as I can, pushing my heels up to the sky. Good, one over there. And you might too. It's alright, catch yourself. See, even the dog's having fun. Just go for 10. If you can't do 10, do 1. Even if you only get a little hop. Hope you're feeling really good today. This sequence will definitely enhance that feeling. Cats and dogs. Nice easy one we know from yoga. So in the video, my knees happen to be a little bit further behind my hips. Try to get your knees right underneath your hips and your hands underneath your shoulders. It's important to breathe here. I don't care if you breathe in as you arch or breathe out as you arch. Just keep breathing. All we're doing, going up, down here, that's it. Going up and going down. If it's too much for you, you don't have to add the jump. You can just do a heel raise, come onto your toes. If you don't want to hop back, you can step back. Make sure if you are stepping back and you go right, left, next time step back, go left, right. Great, moving on. Okay, flutter kicks. We all remember these. So put your hands underneath your butt.
Where is it written?
Keep your knees straight as you kick. Every 10 or so, change the position of your ankles. It's going to help fire different muscles through your legs, through your hips. Going for 100. For a lot of you, you're going to bend your knees. That's okay, that's just the hip not wanting to fire. So just take a break and then come back into it. You want to work up towards keeping your knees straight. Definitely a hip-driven movement here. All hip. It's going to be a great day today, isn't it? Roller coasters. So walking out, taking a downward facing dog, or pretend like the floor is hot. We're swooping down and coming up, trying not to touch the floor. I'm not resting. I'm swooping up and drawing back. So even me, when I get tired, my hips shut down and I start pushing back with my shoulders. Try to draw back from the hips. It's a toughie. You'll get there. Even here, you see me getting tired, I bend the knees. It's alright, you will too. So just take a break if you need to.
Where is it written? All our dreams must be small ones.
Roller coasters. Excellent movement if you've been sitting at the desk all day. All right. Last but not least, everyone, find a wall, find a pole, find a tree. This is our air bench. Try not to sit on the knot of a tree if you're leaning against a tree. My feet are pointed straight ahead. My weight is in my heels and I'm pushing my lower back into the tree. My belly is relaxed. You should feel this right in your quads, in the thighs. notice here, my feet are out further than my knees. You want to do that so that you can push into your legs and push your back into the object behind you.
Where is it written that all our dreams
Just holding for 1 minute here, everyone, but if you want to do more, do 2 minutes, do 3 minutes. It's another excellent move if you do it right. Helps reposition your femurs, reposition your pelvis. Thanks everyone so much for watching.
all our dreams must be small.
I hope you had fun today.